After making the fans wait eagerly, Google has finally kicked off its much-awaited Made by Google 2025 event to launch. Hello and welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. Pixel 10 Pro, Pixel 10 Pro XL, and Pixel 10 Pro Fold is launched in Made by Google event, and the most exciting part about these phones are its Tensor G5 chip inside them, which make the Pixel 10 series 34% faster than the Pixel 9. Behind the spellcasting magic of Pixel 10's 100x zoom-in capability, there's the ultimate Tensor G5 chipset. Yes, you heard it right. Powered by the new Tensor G5 chip, which is way faster than the previous G4, the Pixel 10 introduces Gemini Nano AI with 20 new AI generative features. Due to the new chip, the camera quality's also gone to the next level. The Pixel 10 cameras featured a telephoto lens for the first time with 5x optical zoom and a 48-megapixel wide and 13-megapixel ultra-wide camera system. And thanks to its computational photography capabilities, it can achieve up to 20x zoom quality. That's a major advantage for the photography fans. But that's not all. With a dashing 3000 nit display and a huge battery life of over 30 hours, Pixel 10 is built to impress. The insides of the phone are amazing, but Google made sure the outsides look cool as well. The Pixel 10 will be launched on August 28th in a wide array of mesmerizing color options, including obsidian, frost, lemongrass, and indigo. Here are the key features of Pro options as well. If we go by quickly, both the Pixel 10 Pro and Pro XL have been released for nothing but to elevate Google's photography to an entirely new caliber, with an impressive camera system featuring a 50-megapixel wide lens, a 48-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 48-megapixel telephoto lens with 5x zoom. Both models come with 16 GB of RAM and stunning Super Actra displays that support up to 3,300 nits of HDR brightness. They also support faster charging, introducing 25-watt QI 2.2 wireless charging, a first in smartphones. All these amazing specs, but what will it cost? The Pixel 10 Pro starts at $999, while the Pro XL begins at $11,999. Those drooling over a pre-order must note that both of the latest Pixel 10 Pro models will be available for shipping on August 28th. This was all about the Pixel 10 series. What do you think? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.